first edition of NBA gear. This is my first edition of the brand new series for my YouTube channel, Life of Temptation 2003. Today we have a very special video for you. There's already a little hint kind of somewhere in the video on what it's about. But yeah, let's get going. So I have been a basketball fanatic pretty much since I picked up a basketball about when I was about this tall. Maybe I was probably about 3-4 years old maybe. Got hooked on basketball. Now of course out of shape due to everything on lockdown and no gyms open and everything else, so gotta get back in shape. But anyway, I've been playing basketball my whole life. Love it, absolutely love the game. Beautiful game, brings people together all around the world. I've been to different countries, played with people who don't speak the same language, everything. And it just, basketball unites the world. But anyway, so today we have a very special unboxing. Let's get to it. You guys will like to see what this is. I'm not going to give it away. I've been wanting to open this for a while, but I've been busy working and stuff like that. So let's take a look at this. And of course you guys already know what it is, but this is my first time seeing it. This is, in case you can't tell right here, Kevin Durant. This is the authentic Kevin Durant jersey for the Brooklyn Nets. I should get, I'll just do the video from back here, but then I'll get you close-ups of it here after a second. I just want to get this thing out of the bag. He has been one of my favorite players, probably my most favorite player for years and years. Absolutely love the way he plays. He just plays with that silent demeanor, but yet he'll just destroy you from the outside. Just phenomenal shooter. Excellent person, great human being. And here it is here, guys. Let me flip this open for you. You're getting the first look. I haven't even seen the front of it yet. Man, is that nice. Just brings smiles to my face. Look at that bugger. Hopefully you guys can see. Woo. Guys, that looks freaking awesome. Alright, now, another surprise for you. We also scored the Brooklyn Nets authentic basketball shorts to match the jersey. There they are. Look at these. Man, look at them. Is that nice or what? So there's an artist from Brooklyn, I guess, who designed these. This is what the backstory is. And designed the colors and logo, stuff like that. So really cool kind of backstory. Great looking shorts on here too. Awesome looking shorts. Can't wait to see this combo. But alright, let's get you guys some close-ups on how. Alright guys, here it is. So first, a little backstory. I got a notification by email that this bugger was live when it very first come out, and I instantly jumped on it and bought it. And I went and checked like 3 hours later. I was actually down in Panama, and I bought it when I was down there online from the NBA store. So I was actually down there getting up, waking up in the morning, gonna get ready to go play basketball in the afternoon. Because stuff wasn't locked down at that point in time back then. But anyway, so yeah, 3 hours later, like I checked 3 hours later, so I don't know how soon it sold out. But yeah, these buggers were gone. And this is the authentic one. You can see here by the logo, authentic, length +2, size 52. You got the nice stitching here. I need to turn down my brightness a little, let me check. You got the nice stitching and stuff right there. Lighten it up a little bit for you guys. There we go. Beautiful stitching. You got the beautiful weave. Fabric, everything looks awesome on here. Got your different colors and stuff. Again, nice stitching by the letters. Up by the shoulders, you got this kind of elastic material here. Fairly elastic, nice double stitching going on here. Nice swoosh with the stitching. I really like the way they did this weave color in here. It looks so awesome. You got your official tag here and everything. Roughly $200 for that guy. Spendy, I know, but when you're a basketball fanatic, it's worth it. Plus, these jerseys are actually so nice to play in. I'm not gonna play in this one probably. This will be kind of just my collector's jersey, but I've played in other ones, and yeah, these buggers are super awesome for playing in. So let's take a look at the side here and get this flipped out for you. So here's the color on the side. You can see that. So this is the top part on your right here, coming down, and turn it this way. And the nice colors and whatnot. This is a really lightweight material, guys, this vapor knit stuff. So awesome. But yeah, that is the front of it. Let's get you another look at it. Look at that. Brighten it up a little in case you need a little bit better look. But KD and Kyrie and now James Harden all together on the same team, guys. Like I said, I've been a huge KD fan for a long time. Get this turned over for you. So yeah, I've been a huge KD fan for a long time, and now it's awesome to see that James Harden has joined KD and Kyrie, because we all know KD's coming back from the Achilles injury, and he's a few games in already and just playing awesome, playing excellent, just like he never basically missed a game, even though he missed like 18 months, which is ridiculous. From that injury, from a basketball player's standpoint, that is awesome. And I hope he keeps up the season like this. I just hope and pray that nothing does happen to him later on, come towards playoff times, or re-injure something, or kind of like Klay Thompson, you know, he was coming back from an injury from his ACL on his knee, and then he ended up tearing his Achilles also. So hopefully nothing like that happens, but it's awesome to see Kyrie, KD, and James Harden all together. I believe they should have a pretty darn good shot of winning the championship this year, but LeBron and AD might be a little bit of a force. Some of the other teams in the West, they're looking pretty strong right now. But let's get a look at the shorts. Alright guys, here the shorts are here. Got your Brooklyn, New York logo over here. Got the same weave pattern. There we go. You got the same weave pattern in the shorts as on the jersey. Got the Nike logo. Got your Brooklyn Nets, your NBA. Same thing, guys. It's here. Really nice looking logo. Got stitching coming down the sides. Pretty darn cool colors. Artists did a good job on the colors and design of this. I think it's one of the best. I think it's one of the best looking jerseys actually in the NBA this year, as far as redesign and everything. I was hoping LA would bring out the Mamba jerseys again. like the all black ones, authentic ones. Been really looking to score one of them. If any of you guys have one, a completely authentic one, and want to send it to me, donate it to the channel, anything, go for it. Totally love to have one. Yeah, but there's the back of them here. So they're great looking basketball shorts and everything. Brooklyn, New York, copyright. Got the inside, of course, you got your drawstrings and everything. Really well done. And your tags. $80. So yeah, for the set you're looking at for the set you're $280 for this and the jersey. Pretty expensive, but when you're a fan of the game, when you love the game, grew up your whole life playing the game, it's like, why not? Here's something I missed, guys, also earlier. Check this out. You got the artist right here, Jean-Michel Basquiat, Brooklyn Nets. Is that cool or what? It was kind of blended right in that black, and it's a rubbery material actually. Zoom in on that. It's like a nice rubbery material to it. That's crazy. That is freaking epic. Yeah, this jersey is gonna be a definitely gonna be a collection jersey. This is not getting worn. Maybe once in a blue moon it'll get worn, but otherwise no. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Any comments, questions, anything else, leave down below in the description. Subscribe for a lot of future content, jerseys, some shoes, stuff like that. So basketball related content, absolutely love it. Hope you guys too, and welcome to the channel. We'll see you in a future episode of NBA Gear.